Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do kind of a small TEMU painting. I've been holding off on showing because I kind of forgot. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So this poor painting, this poor painting, I originally bought it in one of my older beginning TEMU orders. I did, and I kind of forgot I put it away in a box of other paintings from another companies, or it was pretty much kind of a box of a catch-all that I was putting on my paintings. And so since I pretty much am almost done with all of the TEMU paintings I currently own until I can put in a new order, I was able to find this poor painting. It's a video game character from a game that I really do love playing. And I, honest to goodness, kind of forgot about this painting until I saw it. So that's why I really want to show it today. And it's a larger one. So let me just get everything out of the plastic wrap real quick. And apologies for all the crinkly noise you're going to hear. But at least it lets me know it's a sturdy plastic. So let me just remove everything. And let me just open the painting real quick. Oh, these diamonds are a little loose, and I'll explain what I mean in a moment. And it comes with your standard kit. And just in case you need the diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is pour the diamonds in the tray, get the pen, press it on the wax, press it onto the diamonds, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if the tray breaks, or if it runs away, or you're not able to locate it, your next painting will have one as well. As I said, they'll always have your back. And these are the diamonds. So what I mean by loose is usually the diamonds are in their own little plastic wrap. So they're all kind of contained together. So you know, oh, okay, all of these diamonds belong to this painting. Sometimes they do not come in a little pack. And when they don't, that's why I save the little covers that the original painting came in, because they are usually the same size as the diamonds, as you can see. And before that, let's look at the diamonds before I do that. And as you can see, there's a lot of whites, a lot of dark tones, a whole lot of browns. I really love the tones of these. Ooh, so you can see a lot more darker browns. And a little random little minty green in the middle, as you can see here. They're really beautiful diamonds. There's a lot of earthy tones. I'm a big fan of that. That's why I fell in love when I first saw this painting. Other than the video game character. And the canvas is a little sturdy. You can probably hear with my nails. And it's a little bit tougher, but I really do like these canvases because I place especially larger paintings of mine on the wall without a frame or anything. So since it's leaning on the wall, I know it won't damage the canvases anyway. It's a sturdy canvas. I haven't had any issues with that. So all I really do is put the diamonds back into the little cover. As I said, it should be the same shape. So just slip them in real quick. Sorry about that. A little more twinkly noise. And there we go. So now I know I won't misplace. I know where they are. I usually write in a marker or the identifier for the painting. So when I put these away, because I always store the paintings and the diamonds in 2 different locations, once I decide, oh, I'm going to work on this painting, I can look for the diamonds and I'll find the writing of the identifier. I got this idea from another diamond painter that I'm really big on reusing, so I'm a big fan that, you know, that this idea really helps, but especially for this kind of situation. Ooh, I really like how it looks in your plastic bag. I'm really odd like that. That's just my thing. And this is the painting. So it is from a video game. It is a video game character. I think it might be showing the form. Yes, it's showing the form on camera a bit. I was just making sure. As you can see, it's a gentleman sitting down with a dragon on his side. And just in case you're not too familiar with, well, maybe the character, the name of the video game is called Genshiниmpact. That's all I got. And yes, I play that game. I love playing video games, just in case you didn't know. And when I saw this on the TEMU site, it was actually a recommendation. I really picked it up because he is one of my favorite characters in the game. I am not going to say his name because I know I'm going to mispronounce it, so I do not want to forget. But if you kind of recognize him, then you know. And yeah, as I said, I really love this image, and I really love the character. As I said, he's one of my favorites to play whenever I have a chance to play the game. And I'm just fixing the plastic to take care of some of the creases. As you probably saw that they were all around, they were mostly in the plastic. There are some creases in the canvas, which I can kind of show a bit. As you can see, there's a large crease here, and up here on top. So usually what I've seen, if you roll it the opposite way, it takes care of the creases and settles it. So apologies, I'm just doing that off camera. Because this painting's a little bit longer. So it's a little bit easier whenever I do that. And it kind of took care of it a bit. I do put my paintings in a portfolio. So sometimes, since I take a while to work on a painting, the creases do disappear after a while because they're straight in a portfolio. And the weight of all the other pages of all the other paintings helps settle. And in case you don't have a portfolio, just to get rid of some of the creases, you can put them under your mattress, or you can just put a heavy book on them. I used to do that when I first started diamond painting. I just put, I have a lot of books. And I would put a lot of heavy books on it and give it a day or two, the creases would go away. It really helps on getting rid of them. Just in case you don't want to put them under the mattress, in case you forget you have a painting under there. So some information about the painting. It is CY-KT00141 and it's a 30 by 40. It has 25 colors. And for the legend, from the numbers 1 to 8, they are numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from the numbers 9 all the way to 25, they are capitalized letters. They are kind of in order, so A, C, D, and so forth. Usually they do not put B because sometimes the shape of it is kind of confusing with the number 8. I've been catching that with a lot of TEMU paintings, that they make that distinction, which does make it easier when you're painting and, in case you get a little confused. With TEMU paintings, I've never had any issues with diamond placement or anything. The plastic on it is really sturdy, and the stick on it, always leaves a fingerprint. They're always really sticky. I've never had an issue of any diamonds falling or anything. Of course, you can always seal the painting, meaning putting kind of a sealant on it once you're done with the painting. But myself, I don't seal my paintings because I still haven't purchased a sealant to apply on the painting, but I haven't had any issues. So that's why, to me, I'm not in a big rush. This 25 colors. I thought it might be a little bit more. The 30, 40, so I thought maybe 30 diamonds, but I have no problems with that. And as you can see, it actually shows the colors that correspond to this number because it bases everything off of the DMC number, which I love all the brown tones, which I'm a big fan of because the video game character, most of his tones are brown as well. I think that's why I fell in love with the coloring when I saw this image. There's a little thumbprint, just in case you want to see a little bit clearer. It does show it there. I'm a big fan of that because I do use the thumbprint to kind of confirm whenever I'm placing diamonds and I notice, this color is a little, I might have placed the wrong color. I do confirm to make sure it's correct. And the drill field, as you can probably tell, I might get a little bit closer for this one. It has little assistant circles on the letters, as you can see. So this is really good for, especially if you're a beginner diamond painter. It helps you on placing. It's for placement. So you can make sure, the diamonds are being put straight. Because if you put it incorrectly or crooked or it's off, you'll be able to see the lining that's around the symbol. Or you might even see the symbol as well. I'm a big fan of that. Even though I've been painting a whole bunch of paintings, I still like the little assistant circles. Because every now and then, Rosy's a little off. So that's why I have no issues with this at all. At all. That's a big fan of them. And as you can see, that's why the painting is not as clear, is because it's a lot of the linings. But once you've already placed all the diamonds, you'll cover everything up. You'll start seeing how wonderfully the painting's coming out. I'm a big fan of that. And just in case you want to see a little bit more clearly, I'm going to put a clear picture here in the middle of the screen. Just in case, this video game character is a favorite of yours as well. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to show today. I know it's just one painting, but it is one of the larger ones, so I wanted to make sure to show it. And mostly, as I said, I kind of forgot I had this painting. I actually do want to start working on it because I really love the brown colors. But I'm trying to finish up some of my other TEMU paintings I'm currently working on. So once I complete a couple of those, I'll probably start on him. I do have another character, a video game character from the same game. But I really do love this image. So I kind of want to start on it. But I'll let y'all know when I do a kit up video. And again, if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows the opportunity for everyone to see all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Video game characters and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.